how to add subcategories in Shopify. That's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys everything step by step very easily. You can just follow along and let's get started. So I'm over here inside of my Shopify store. So what I'm going to do is add a subcategory for each product collection I have. So you can do it with anything you would like to, but I am just going to show you guys what I will do with my product collection. So in order to add that, we can go to our online store over here, then to navigation. And once you are here, I am going to select the main menu as that is where I want to add the categories and subcategories. So click on here. And I already have a main category called products. And I would like to add multiple subcategories inside of this category. So what I'll do is add a menu item, and I am going to select go over here. So I'm not yet going to label it. I'm first going to select what I would like to select. So in this case, I will link it to a collection of mine, which is, for example, men over here. And then I'm going to click on this check mark in order to confirm really. So I've now confirmed this. Now I'm going to do that again, then to link, then to collection. And then here I'm going to select women. Now, why I'm not first labeling everything is because when I select the link over here, it will pretty much already label it correctly for me. Now, if you would like to change it, then you can of course do that here. But for me, this is perfect. So I'm going to click on there. Now, what we can do is very easily, because currently, if I save it, go to the online store, then as you can see, it will also be added here, but we want to add it as a subcategory. So in order to do that, we can go back, and here we have these 6 dots. And what we can do is hold that, and then we can move everything up and down. Now, what you want to do is go under products, and then drag it to the right. As you can see, this sort of changes that blue line with the dot. You want to move it to the right and release. That way, we have now added it as a subcategory inside of products. As you can see, there's already an arrow. If we click on it, it will drop down. And we can do that the same with women. So simply just go over here, release, and now we have added 2 subcategories inside of products. Now, the cool thing is that we can add subcategories in subcategories, really. Now, when you open up the products here, you can add more menu items. So what you can do is simply go again to link, go to collections, and I will, for example, add t-shirts, and then click the check mark. And then what I will do is drag this under men, and then once again, a little bit more to the right. And then I will add that under the men section. So now we can see add menu item to men. So in this case, when I click on this, it will automatically already add this over here. So I'll just add pants. And then here I will add another collection, for example, socks. Then click on OK. And I will just quickly add that to women as well. And as you can see, once you are done, it will probably look somewhat like this. So I have my main products over here. And then when you open that up, you will see men and women. And then under that, I have every single different section. So I'm going to click on save. I'm going to go to view online store. And here we can see in products, we can see men and women. And when we click on it, it will open up the different collections or subcategories. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add subcategories in Shopify.